Maritime navigation has always been a complex dance, where the stakes are high and the consequences of missteps can be dire. To understand the importance of COLREGs, or the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, we first need to take a quick look back at the history of maritime rules. For centuries, sailors relied on a mix of local customs and unwritten rules to navigate the waters. However, as global trade expanded and maritime traffic increased, the need for standardized regulations became clear. In 1972, the International Maritime Organization adopted the COLREGs, creating a unified set of rules that would govern the behavior of vessels at sea. This was a game changer, establishing a common language for mariners around the world. Now, let's break down some of the key COLREGs rules in a way that's easy to grasp. The first rule, often referred to as Rule 1, states that these regulations apply to all vessels on the high seas and in all waters connected to the high seas. This means whether you're on a massive cargo ship or a small fishing boat, everyone must play by the same rules. Rule 2 emphasizes the need for vessels to avoid collisions. It's straightforward. Mariners must take all necessary precautions to prevent accidents. This includes being vigilant using radar and maintaining a proper lookout. Moving on to Rule 5, which highlights the importance of maintaining a proper lookout by sight and hearing. This is crucial because, unlike on land, visibility can change rapidly at sea. A good lookout can mean the difference between a safe passage and a collision. Then we have Rule 6, which deals with safe speed. It's essential for vessels to travel at a speed that allows them to take proper action to avoid collisions. This means considering factors like visibility, traffic density, and the maneuverability of the vessel. One of the most well-known rules is Rule 18, which outlines the responsibilities of vessels in sight of one another. It specifies which vessel has the right of way, helping to prevent confusion and ensuring that everyone knows their role in the navigation dance. The benefits of COLREGs are immense. They promote safety at sea, reduce the risk of accidents, and enhance communication among mariners. By following these rules, vessels can operate more efficiently, leading to smoother and safer maritime operations. Enforcement of COLREGs is a global effort. Coast guards and maritime authorities around the world monitor compliance through inspections and patrols. Violations can lead to serious penalties, including fines or even detainment of vessels. This enforcement helps to maintain a culture of safety and responsibility on the water. In summary, COLREGs are not just a set of rules, they are a vital framework that ensures the safety of all who navigate our oceans. By understanding and adhering to these regulations, mariners contribute to a safer maritime environment for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a curious student, grasping these concepts is key to navigating the seas responsibly.